In this video, we'll use the order of operations in the margin of error. In a poll of 452 professionals, 29.3% said that body piercings and tattoos negatively affected hiring decisions. Use, again, the order of operations to evaluate the 99% confidence level margin of error E. E is equal to z sub alpha over 2 times the square root of p times 1 minus p, that's p hat, minus 1 minus p hat, all divided by n, which is equal to, the z-score for this is 2.576 times p hat is 0.293 times 1 minus 0.293 divided by the sample size of 452. So in order to do this first, the order of operations, we do have roots, we do have parentheses, so we'll do the parentheses first. So we're going to go ahead and subtract 1 minus 0.293. So on our calculator, 1 minus 0.293 is equal to 0.707. This sometimes is known as Q hat. So let's rewrite the expression now, putting our new answer in. So it's going to be 2.576 times the square root of 0.293 times our answer, which was 0.707, divided by 452. Next, in order of operations, well, we have to go ahead and multiply the numerator here since it's under the radical. And let's do this. So we're going to have to perform the operation multiplication. 0.293 times 0.707. On the calculator, let's see, 0.293 times 0.707. And the answer is 0.207151. Let's rewrite the expression over as 2.576 times the square root of 0.2720751 divided by 452. Next on our order of operations, we're still in the radical component, so we're going to have to divide. So we're going to have to divide 0.207151 by 452. On our calculator, it looks like this: 0.207151 divided by 452. And notice that odd E symbol comes up again. So let's rewrite this as 2.576 times, we can take the square root of 4 and I'm going to write it all down, 582986726. And that's E negative 4. So remember from previously in class, we can rewrite that with our decimals. And remember that means times 10 to the negative 4, which means move the decimal to the left 4 places. So it'd be 0.0004582986726. Or we can play some fancy calculator tricks with this. Now we are going to have to take the square root of that. So next, we're going to have to take square root. And I'm going to take it of the answer. And I'll show you how to do that on the calculator here. So we're going to have to take the square root of our previous answer. So I'm going to go second x squared or square root button. And then to get the answer button, I'm going to go second. And if you look above the negative key, it says A and S. So I'm going to take this answer of that. So I'm going to take the square root of the previous answer. I'm going to hit enter. And that will give me my answer here. So let's write that down. So I have 2.576 times, and then the square root of all that decimal is going to be 0.0 0.05140791114. And we're almost done. The last thing that we're going to have to do is multiply these two. So our calculator looks like this. 2.576 times 0.02140791114. Hit enter, and our final answer then is going to be 0.05551467799. If we were to round it to, let's say we'll do 4 decimal places. 4 decimal places, 0.0551. That will be our final answer. So the margin of error here would be 0.0551.